We're doing it on Omega. Man, I got a lot of replays to do. I should have been recording it after the replay, but here we go. 387 part 1. I don't even know which one is this. INVOKED DOGMATIKA. DRYTRON versus INVOKED DOGMATIKA. Looks like I win this one. Here we go. I don't even know what happened. This was recorded yesterday. Almirage. Okay. Gonna add back with invocation. I'll try to explain what's going on here. Super tired, by the way. Please, yeah, get the punishment. Sets into your servant. Oh, he's gonna window lock me. Wow. Apollon gets Schism. Maximus effect. He's gonna send and construct. I think I chain blocked this. Yeah, I chain blocked with arc light. Yeah. And then Entis pop Mechaba. He's got Fleur de Lis at the end with Ash Dragon. Foolish Alpha. What was that? Zeta or Alpha Zeta. And you got Winda right there. Zeta Alpha. Yeah, I was only able to special summon once because of Winda. What? I was gonna fusion summon again. Oh, got rid of Winda for construct, but and send one monster from the same attribute as that few. That was that light? Yeah, okay. What was that? Oh, it crossed out me. First time I ever got crossed out right there. Nail Shadal Ariel. Banished those three. Got Invoker. Invocation. How did I win this? Yeah, he won the first one for sure. Oh, it was already over anyways. He was gonna increase attack. Oh my god. Carb wins. Full flawless victory. Perfect. How did I lost this one? Oh, he disconnected. Watch this. Come on. Oh, don't do this. Okay. Yeah, I recorded it. It said I won. I didn't lose. So I set a card. End my turn. His draw phase, I activate Lancia. Terraforming. Meltdown and Meltdown, Alistair. Normal summon Alistair, and he's got Invocation, and he can't banish, so And then he just surrendered. He surrendered the whole thing. He scooped that one. That one, what happened on that one? Or does he have a deck? Go to decks. He does have one. Carb 387 8. Oh fuck. You see, I should be like recording after I duel because now you guys can't see. I was at 1040, that was 1060. Right now I'm not there. And I 257, still at 257. Let's check out his deck. 387. 387 right here. Here we go. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, tell me if you liked it. See you guys.